In this quick Viber tutorial, I'll show you how to enable two-step verification to add an extra layer of security to your Viber account. Let's get started. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Now tap the More tab in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, select Settings, then tap on Privacy. Under the Privacy menu, tap Two-Step Verification. Now tap Enable to begin the setup. Enter a 6-digit PIN code that you'll use to verify your identity when needed. After that, add a recovery email address so you can reset your PIN if you ever forget it. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once enabled, your Viber account will have an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. And that's it. Now you know how to enable two-step verification on Viber to keep your account more secure. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below for more quick Viber tips, privacy settings, and how-to tutorials.